We have this one, in either way. We also have the kind. I feel like be kind to others is the message, and we also got my dream. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, actually, pangarap niya para sa atin ay maging mabuti. But yet, with this in either way, it means na yung iba sa atin, hindi nagpo-push forward kung ano yung gusto ng Panginoon for us. Siguro yung iba, pinipili na hindi maging mabuti, pinipili nila manatili na maging masama. So, God is calling us to be good. So, we also have this one here. So, that is manifestation. And we also got impact here. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na maraming tao na yung dream nila ay umasenso sa buhay kasi there's manifestation at may impact. Kasi pangarap natin din na, magkaroon tayo ng impact sa mundo or kahit sa mga tao na nasa paligid natin. We tend to please others by our titles, by what we achieve. Kasi ayaw natin na nakatingin sila sa baba with regards to us. We want to be somebody na we create a name for ourselves. And I feel na dahil dito nalulungkot ang Panginoon. Gustong ipalala sa atin ng Diyos na yung mahalaga sa Kanya is yung kindness. Okay, yun yung i-push natin rather than these materialistic desires. We also have this one in reverse. I'm not sure why, guys, but it's reminding me of a politician who just passed away. I think God is reminding us na, not forever we will be in this world. Darating ang panahon talaga na we will have endings in this world, right? So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na before that happened, He wants us to be kind. Wag na tayo magdalawang isip pa kung gagawa tayo ng mabuti o hindi. We have this one, poor. So, God is calling us to provide for the poor. Kasi I feel na maraming tao na pinapakita ng Panginoon na hindi sila umangat. Baka dahil din na walang tumulong sa kanila. Kaya nanatili sila doon sa ganyang kalagayan. So God doesn't want us to actually think negatively of them. Like, sometimes we tend to think na may kaya pa sila to work, but yet in the end, they need someone to help them. So we have this one, unique. It's in reverse. We also have the good times here, but yet, nakafocus ako sa key. Dito, hindi dun sa word. It just mean na meron silang dapat na gawin, but yet they can't, dahil nga walang tumulong. Kasi with the unique in reverse, ibig sabihin lang nun meron silang dapat gawin, but they wasn't able to. And we also have the Joker here. Nalulungkot ako dito, guys. Gusto ipahiwatig sa atin ng Panginoon na hindi sila yung dahilan ba't sila lugmok sa kahirapan. Kasi we have the Joker here. Ibig sabihin nun, na meron sigurong tao sa kanilang buhay na patuloy na instead na tumulong sa kanila, patuloy silang dinadown. Okay? I will give you an example. What's going on in our country? May nag-expose na dahil sa taong iyon, nangyari isang taas yung mga bilihin dahil try nilang kontrolin yung mga presyo dahil sa smuggling. I'm not sure if you are aware about it, but yet somebody's exposed about it. And that's what's happening to these poor people. Like example, what we're going through na instead na bumaba yung mga bilihin, lagi na lang tumataas, diba? So, God wants us to help each other out, especially the poor ones, at ignore natin na mag-isip na masama tungkol sa kanila. And on our end, we need to help them para naman umangat sila sa kanilang buhay, and at least they will see na meron pang taong mabuti sa mundo. So please don't ignore your calling. If you're called on by heaven to give for the poor, then give, provide for the poor. You know? Kasi I feel na dahil hindi forever ang buhay natin. Okay? Huwag tayong gumaya dun sa mga tao na they have their life ended, nag-end bigla, okay, kinuha sila bigla at hindi man sila nakagawa ng something for this world. So we're being called on to be not like those people na saka sila natauhan na may mangyari na sa kanila, but it's very too late. So while you can, guys, help the poor because that's what you're being called on to do. Hindi lang kayo dapat masyado mag-focus din sa manifestation ng wealth. Okay? You need to actually be kind and do your work. Kasi yung ba sa inyo, you're hesitant to help, maybe? Yung mabuti example dito, kung hindi yun talaga kaya kasi God will understand na hindi naman kaya siguro na pumunta sa supermarket, pumili ng mga gift packs and so on kasi wala kayong helper or can be you can't carry those things. What you can do here is at least in this coming season kasi marami namang mga churches na nagsasabi na they need donations so that they will give something for the poor. Why not begin there, guys? Especially if they're asking for donation for them to provide for others. So, you can send your money there. Kung nahihirapan talaga kayo na bumili sa supermarket, example, and provide for what they call this for the poor by those food packs. Okay, may mga paraan. 'Di ba? Kung gustong gawin, may paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. So, yeah, be kind. Yun ang calling sa atin ng Panginoon. So, I hope that this message may provide you some insight and God bless all of you.